Hi, I am Casey Hoagland. I am the Marketing Director for Williamson Foundation Repair, and we have been a Bird Eye client for about 4.5 years now. We originally began utilizing the Bird Eye services for the review management, helping us get more positive online reviews, helping us manage the current ones we have, and just really simplifying the process. Through that, Bird Eye reached out to me one time and asked if we would like to add a web chat feature to our website where our customers can easily web chat us onto our website, and those web chats drop into our Bird Eye platform and our dashboard so that I'm able to use those whether I'm on my cell phone or if I'm at my computer or I get an email or a text message, to really make it easy for us to quickly and efficiently answer questions that clients have or that potential customers may have. So being in the construction industry as a contractor, when Bird Eye approached me with it, I don't really think that people are going to reach out to a contractor on a web chat feature. I just don't. We have a lot of utilization on our website, but I don't think they're going to use the web chat feature. I was wrong. I am totally willing to admit when I was wrong, and I was wrong. We very quickly started seeing people reach out to us and utilizing the web chat feature, not only coming in as new leads and new potential customers, but also as a customer service aspect. We don't answer our phones 24/7. We do not answer the phones. Our office is closed on the weekends, but sometimes we have crews out still working. And so the web chat feature was a way for, if customers had questions and we weren't in the office answering phones, for them to still get in touch with us. And if those were urgent needs or questions, we were able to funnel those quickly and get those answered, and not have to wait till Monday for those customers to get a return phone call. So it was a great way for us to just provide another platform for customers to be able to reach us, not only from a new customer standpoint, but also from a customer service standpoint that we really didn't foresee happening. We didn't see that, and Bird Eye helped us see that. The other way we've really utilized it is through the text messaging format. We live in a day and age now where customers don't always answer their phone, and I don't always answer my phone either. If I don't know the number, if it's not saved, I don't answer it sometimes. And so we have really been able to utilize the text messaging option to help us get in touch with customers a little bit easier. So when someone calls us and we have to do a return phone call, and we don't get in touch with them that first time, we can now send them a text message. We're able to do that through the dashboard. So if you're sitting at your computer, your office managers can, send them a text message from their computer, or I can utilize it as an app feature on my phone. And so both of those have been an incredible asset for us as a company as we continue to grow with technology as a company, as we continue to grow offering more services for our customers to simplify and make the process easier for them as well. So we're a firm believer now, not only in the Bird Eye products and services, but also in the fact that sometimes Bird Eye knows better than we do. And so just because we don't think something will work doesn't always mean that's true. And I really appreciate the fact that Bird Eye has been opened our eyes to some additional ways and options that we can use their services to continue to provide great customer service for our customers, because that's really what it's all about.